Hi guys!
Hi!
Okay, ano agenda natin for today?
Today, kukuha ako ng health permit sa South Park.
And then,
Kain kami sa Evia.
ano ba kayo sa Ibiya?
Malatang! Wow, malatang!
Ano pa?
And Avocadoria.
Tapos magpapagas muna tayo sa
Alright.
Ilion. Tulog mo kami. Update namin kayo. Bye-bye.
Kakagaling pa lang namin school kasi kumuha siya ng
Transfer credentials.
transfer credentials sa sa register ng school natin.
Kasi kailangan na daw. Requirement siya sa USTB. Dito kami ngayon sa Malamalatang. Yan. Sa Ibiya. Ayan. Kung mapansin nyo, marami siyang options. I-weigh nyo lang yan. Okay. Baltahan namin kayo guys kapag puno na to. And, ayan na. So, ito na po. Dumating na yung order namin. Dry pot and another hot pot. So, spice level 1 and spice level 2. Ayan ako may egg. Ayaw nyo ng egg eh. So, kain lang kami and bigyan namin yung feedback namin later.
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Ayan, so ito yung mga nabili namin dito. Number 1 is sobrang kapal na hardcover. Book about KJFP. So supposedly, $3.99 siya. Pero $99 na lang siya. With a sticker frame. So, it's a Hawkeye Marvel book. Tapos, yellow siya. So, piso na lang siya. Supposedly siya ay $12.99. That's around 700 plus. Dapat ito yung bibili namin. Pero, 200 na lang. 200 lang naman. So, yung pangalawa is anti-social network. So, 99 din siya. Cutting for 99. Tapos, ito yung pinuha ni Bago.
Nakalimutan ko.
Oh.
Pero parang si Christina Lauren lang yung kilala ko doon, out of those. Kaya, pero mapasahin ko pati sa
Holiday. Tapos yellow din siya. So, piso lang siya. So, all in all, yung ganito kapal is 200 lang. Still, ano yung coffee na binili mo?
Iced Spanish latte, iced sea salt Spanish latte. Papunta naman kami ngayon sa Landers, Vermosa para bumili ng conditioner. Ayan, bibili natin. Light and light, soy fresh, chicken, conditioner.
Bye! Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog! So ngayon, mga-park na kami and nandito na kami sa Expo. Yan, so kami. All aboard Expo. Tapos nakuha na rin namin yung ID namin as exhibitor. Tapos, we will visit the booth. We will visit the booth and arrange it. So ito yung ng booth. And doon tayo located. So, how is it so far?
Parang may kulang na isang pinis.
Ay we, oh no.
Wala to. Nag-check na ako ng mga package.
Sige, let's see again. And we'll get back to you guys later after maayos na. So ito kami ngayon sa Expo. As you can see yung daming tao. Ito yung ating booth. And later, libutin natin yan para makita nyo. Kung wala yung isa namin kasama. Ayan, so ito ang booth. It's the card game. Then we have here pins and stickers, line box. Meron tayong MBTI, personality test, sticker and pins. Here's the guide. Then we have the video. We also have tote bags here. So sa first floor, and sobrang daming tao. Tabo. Skip shop. Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa Palm Grill. Ito ang order. Wala ka naman sila dami.
At ng 190 kapag may buong barang.
Sige, sige.
Hello.
Hi guys! So ngayon, sa Baggerville. So ngayon, nandun na kami sa COA. 1 hour away from sa Palm Grill. And nakapag-park na rin kami sa 7th floor after 10 minutes of grueling finding parking. So ngayon punta kami Watson para bumili ng necessities. Hi guys! So, i-shave na ako guys.
Sir, gulat ka talaga.
Kaya kasi mga tatay eh. Bumili kami ng Brent cookies, bagong brand siya. So we tried
Bagong brand na nakita natin.
yeah, we tried natin. Double chocolate with nuts. So, mas mahal siya, tama, 25. Medyo co-competition siya with Echoes. Pero, mas maliit siya. So, tignan natin. Taste test. So, kakagaling lang namin sa KKT para may drinks. So, CR lang kami sa cinema. Review pala, review. Ano masabi mo dun sa Brent cookies?
Oh, good. Kaso, ang liit niya lang. Gusto na natin. So, very siya taste.
Yeah.
Unlike yung Epos na, konti-unti lang naman kinakain. Kasi nalalabas na lang.
Ano masabi mo dun sa Palm Grill?
Sarap. Super normal.
Sa akin naman, yeah, since Filipino food siya, so for sure, may influence na rin yung cuisine natin sa kanila, one way or another. So medyo similar siya. Parang variant lang, ganun. And ang napansin ko, sobrang hilig na sa coconut, right? Sobrang lang yung serving, yeah. Dalawa lang kami and it felt like for 4 to 5 people.
Dito po ito.
Dito for lang. Tapos masarap din yung halo-halo, yan. So meron silang take sa version nila ng halo-halo, which is sneaker yung name. Yeah. And instead of shaved ice, syrup lang at saka milk. And tapos yung toppings nila is watermelon na kinar into cubes. Yeah, so nice. Hey guys, may kami na marami pa kami gustong bilhin kasi sweets.
Ayaw niya.
Ito kami sa pinakatakot.
Nabawas ka.
Just to see what's in here.
Wait lang, malapit na rice na.
Tapos cheese lang.
Another side quest. May kami ng chinelas.
Napakarandom. Isang daan lang na po dito ng isang daan.
And look at the view. Wow.
Yan ako na.
Yes. And nagpalit na ako ng shoes. Ayaw niya mag-pink. So ito yung menu namin. Okay.
Dinner time.
Yeah, ang dinner lang namin guys, pinapay. So, 40 minutes before concert. Kain muna tayo. Ay ka muna, hi. Dito na kami. Hi guys! So, nandito ko ngayon sa QC Circle. Yan. Nasa QC Circle tayo dahil tapos na yung event and nakakuha tayo ng 5 digits. And this is the first time na nakapag 5 digits tayo as a event exhibitor. So, another milestone. And nagkakamit lang ako papuntang bahay because tipid hops. And also, hindi ko nakakapag-walk for the last 2 days. So, I just want to continue walking. I've been here for the past 2 days, so it's 4-day event, and it's already the 3rd day, so it's Saturday right now. And if you can see, sobrang haba ng pila sa baba. Yeah, and it's already 10 a.m. in the morning. The place haven't opened yet, so mga VIP pa lang pinapasok nila. And yesterday I was able to sell, actually for the past 2 days, we are able to sell at least 25 cards. And I've reached for the very first time a 5 digits income. So it's very good. So now, ubos na yung business cards natin. And I'm still, kakarating ko lang. So I have to fix all the merch and the petty cash and all. Okay, so as you can see here, ito yung pinakamagaling business card ko in case I run out of the small ones. Hi guys! Oh my god, sobrang first na ng bosses ko. Anyway, it's 8 p.m. in the evening. It's the 3rd day of the expo. And I just sold another 5 digits. This is the highest revenue that I have had in my entire life. Yeah. So it's a very good blessing, and I definitely enjoy the company of a lot of people. You know, aside from the fact that I am selling a lot of things, I think what matters more or what I appreciate more is the community. I feel like I've met a lot of people outside of my field or in my field. I've connected with a lot of publishers and a lot of doctors, and I think it's better than me just selling the cards. So I really like the experience here, and I have one last day tomorrow. Wish me luck. Anyway, I'm gonna pack up and I'll go home. Hi guys. Fourth day. Ayan, wala akong boses. Ayan. Kasama natin si Sir Bonnie.
Hey guys.
So it's the last day of the expo and hopefully makasurvive tayo. So nakapag-set up na kami ng booth. And hinihintay na lang namin si Peter kasi late na naman. I'm that guy. Ay, puno. We are here again, but this time it's different. Yeah. I just wanna reflect on what happened during that week. So basically, I attended as an event exhibitor sa My Center All Aboard Expo for 4 days. And during that 4 days, I've also attended 2 concerts, 1 buffet. This was the point wherein I really validated the business. The turning point na sinabi ko na, wow, may market pala for this. People are buying it. If it's the biggest risk na ginawa ko past 2 years. So sabi ko, dapat legit mo to na dapat ginawa ko. Pero kasi na-validate ko yung idea when umatanda ko as an audience sa Asian board games na marami talagang tao and they really buy the products regardless of the price. So fast forward, I came there, malapit na mag-break even actually yung nakuha ko na first day dun sa binayaran ko. So it's not that great but it's better than most of the book na na-experience ko before. And then second, third, I earned so much na hindi ko na alam kung ano nangyayari. And the fourth day even, hindi ganun kalaki pero then I was able to sell 3 digits amount ng cards, hindi to money. Quantity ng cards, I was able to sell 3 digits. That's just the right market with just the right platform. I can really, or right exposure as well. You know, all those metrics come together. The right sales talk, the right sales pitch. I can really sell anything and I can really sell this card game. Small steps, small validation, pero it's enough fuel to keep me going. So sabi nga nila, achieve or acquire small wins early on. It will keep the dopamine coming, it will keep you motivated, and I will do it again if I've given a chance. So, thank you ako sa organizer. We will attend again in the future. Anyway, that's it. This is another day of a life or a week of a life. This time as a booth exhibitor, and this is Vinco signing up again. Thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye.